Good morning all, this is Poonam Darade from the Fundamental Desk Axis Securities. I welcome you all for the market commentary. The US market ended mixed in a volatile session as oil prices fluctuated and Fed Chair Janet Yellen reiterated that a federal fund rate will depend on the incoming data. The Dow Jones lost 100 points to close at 15,915 while Nasdaq gained 15 points to close at 4,284. Nikkei is shut for trading due to holidays while Hang Seng is trading lower by 3.8%. SGX Nifty is trading lower by 0.77%. Asian markets are trading lower as they resume trade after holidays as investors take note of the comment from the Federal Chair Janet Yellen amid volatile oil prices. Indian indices are low, expected to lower, and focus will be on last leg of third quarter earning along with global cues. Government hikes the import tariff value on gold and silver. This is on the domestic front. On the result update front, we have come up with a result update on Bata India. The net sales, EBITDA and PAT growth 15%, 30% and 28% year on year versus consensus estimate of 12%, 20% and 24%. High inventory levels had led to higher discounting, led liquidation in FY17. The operating profit margins expanded 150 bps YOY to 12.9% due to lower operating cost. On the way forward, given the macro situation, we lower our sales growth expectation to 13% in FY17. Also, we reduce our EBITDA margin estimates from 13.4% to 13.2%. We lower our FY17 EPS by 8% to factor in lower sales growth and margin. We maintain a buy with a revised target of Rs 550 on the forward PE of 28x. And the current market price of the stock is around 489. So thank you. Happy investing.